Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And in this episode we're going to have a quick look at how the seedlings are doing the heater propagator over the last 7 days. And as always, enjoy. So day one in the heater propagator. After 24 hours, as you can see, absolutely nothing happening, which is exactly what I expected. These seeds will take anything between 5 and 21 days to germinate, but I thought I'd do a little diary every day so you can see progress. So far, as expected, nothing. So day 2 in the heater propagator, and after some disturbances during the night, we see that the cosmos has made an appearance in just 2 days of germination. Nothing yet for the petunia. Again, I'm not expecting anything there. And as you can see, there's no chilies, no sweet peas, no any of the tomatoes just yet. But fantastic germination speed in terms of the cosmos. Just sown on Saturday, and then Monday, here we are with almost all of them germinated. Amazing. So day 3 in the propagator household. Cosmos is coming on a treat. Still no sign of the petunias yet, although, having said that, I think we might have. Yes, we do. There you go. Petunias are making an appearance. Very good. In terms of sweet peas, nothing yet. Tomatoes, nothing yet. And no chilies yet. But Cosmos absolutely stomping ahead, and as we can just see there, the first petunia all looking good in the heater propagator. So day 4 in the heater propagator, so the Cosmos again are putting on tons of growth. More petunias have made an appearance, as you can see there. And now we have sweet peas heirloom making an appearance too. So there's a couple of ones that have popped up there. So far, tomatoes and chilies not making any sign, nor the other sweet peas, but we have a couple of heirloom sweet peas making an appearance. So just after 4 days in the heater propagator. Doing really well. So day 5 in the heater propagator. So Cosmos again putting on tons of growth. Petunias still looking amazing. We now have another appearance of a sweet pea. The sweet pea heirloom. Oh, and there's another one I've just noticed there back as well. So we've got 4 sweet peas now. No sign of the chilies, nor the tomatoes just yet. But we have 4 of the sweet peas making an appearance, and only in 5 days. Really good. So day 6 in the heater propagator. Cosmos again looking really good now. Petunia, got a few of those up. The sweet pea heirloom, we've got 2, 3, 4, 5 of those up now. And I've just noticed we have sweet pea sweet dreams making an appearance. Still no sign of the tomato and still no sign of the chilies, but it is still early days. But yeah, day 6 looking really good. Lovely. So day 7 in the heater propagator. So Cosmos again, no change. Petunia still looking good. The sweet peas, we've got the heirloom mix. We've got 5 of those. No chilies yet. And we have one of the sweet dreams sweet peas, and I think that might be one of the tomatoes making an appearance. I think it is. So we might have got the tomatoes as well. So yeah, day 7, looking good in the heater propagator.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.